Hey kids, welcome to Once Upon a Page. Get ready for songs, stories, and adventures made just for you. Come on, let's go.
Potty by Leslie Patricelli. I have to go potty. I could go in my diaper. Should I go in my diaper? I don't want to. What does kitty do? Oh, what does doggy do? Oh, I really have to go. Oh, ha. Should I go in my potty? I could try. Oops, bye-bye diaper. Z. What's that? Tinkle, tinkle, toot. I did it! Hooray! Undies, the end.
Yay, that was so much fun, boys and girls. I can't wait for our next story time or adventure. Remember, learning is fun when we do it together. See you soon.